Fuck, this is out of it. Hey, kia ora whānau. As you all know, man's trying something new today, or this year, I should say, and this is the first episode of my brand new podcast, Carve Up, that we're trying to get done for about a month.
Bro.
About a month, I've been trying to sort the first interview out, and you all know who I am. I just want to introduce you all to the bro. This is Erukge I, and I'll let you do your introductions, my bro.
uh nah, I always suck at this part of anything, eh? Yeah, my name's Erukge I. Known as heaps of things online, to be honest. Um, Erukge, like heaps of stuff. The man. Um,
Bro, I'm gonna lie. I'm pretty sure I was the one that called you anyway, and everyone just jumped on my wave.
yep, yep. You're the one that let everyone know that's what to
Hey,
call me, and it's just stuck ever since.
yeah, I must say, bro, time out though, bro. Your Broncos T-shirt isn't on full display.
Oh,
It's a change. Oh,
oh no,
yeah.
now we'll just
Let's
let it
edit
sit
that
there
in.
for now.
Edit that in somehow. Nice to meet you, my bro. To everyone that will probably be watching. First of all, what I want to ask: how did you come up with your name?
um,
I don't think I've ever
well,
asked it.
nah, I've known you for years. I can't believe I haven't told you this, but that's crazy. But yeah, growing up, you might have done the same thing where you grew up, but we always replaced the end of words with ak.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like you'd say like nak or skak or like stuff like that. And yeah, we always just whack the name off the end of my name just to Iraq,
Yeah, yeah.
and then everyone was like, "What's up, Iraqji?" And then it just stuck from there forever.
Oh, true, true, true.
I've had that username since like first year of intermediate. I
When
think it's
did you initially start your Twitch account?
my Twitch account. I think I've had it since 2015.
Oh, okay, true.
I used it to watch Yogscast. I don't know if you know
Oh,
who
yeah, yeah,
Yogscast
yeah.
is.
Who were like three of the or your five streamers that you'd go to watch on Twitch at the time?
But back in those days,
Yeah, obviously, hot tub streams weren't a thing, so.
oh damn, nah, didn't like League of Legends, so Pokemon wasn't really my vibe back then.
Hey.
Nah, it would have been like like Yogscast, the Phase guys like Phase
Oh, yeah,
Adapt
yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
them and KSI used to stream on Twitch back those
Oh,
days.
true. I didn't know that. Didn't know that.
So just those fellas, yeah, that's the only reason I started on Twitch, and then I just didn't really use my account for a while.
True, true. And besides the obvious, I follow you on Instagram, and just to let everyone know, what do you do? What is it that you do as Erukge?
Yeah, it's taken a bit of a while for me to realize like what I want my niche to be. I did like
Mm-hmm.
comedy skits, I did Twitch streaming, I did like gaming clips and such. But this year I've realized that I want to classify myself as like a New Zealand sports influencer
Mm.
because that's solely what I really want to focus this year. Like I'll
Yeah,
do
yeah.
like all the other stuff, but I want people to be like, "Oh, that's a sports guy," you know?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's cool, bro. If you don't know, to anyone that's listening, the bro has been doing content around NRL home games for the Wars or the Warriors, and
Warriors.
essentially, how did you come up with it? Like, is it just like a
Um,
random idea, or did you have it
yeah.
kind of in your brain already?
No, it was because at the time I was like, I just finished. I just stopped streaming after all the news that was going on there,
Mm.
and I was like, man, what do I want to do? I was doing a bit of comedy skits, and then I saw like some guy doing interviews at the NBA games
Oh,
over in America, and it was just he was asking people if they recognize if they what they thought of this potential player, and he would say like some random person's name,
yeah.
like it wasn't even like an NBA guy, and I was like, oh, is anyone doing this at the Warriors games? Because I go to every Warriors home game.
Can confirm, chat.
Um,
Can confirm.
I'm there, so I'm just like, oh, I might as well give it a jam. And then yeah, I just did my very first one. Scary ass.
Yeah, no, I can imagine like the nerves when it comes to that kind of stuff. I'm nervous now, even doing this. I ain't gonna worry. And I've known you for years.
Yeah, like, I'm pretty good with public speaking, but like that's sort of like I don't really know how people are gonna interact with it.
Yeah, yeah.
But my first one was this cracker pairs old fella, so like from there, like I knew like it was gonna be all goods.
So how many you've done it for like 2, 3 NRL seasons right now, eh? Or quite a
Nah,
few.
this is my second NRL season doing
Oh
it.
yeah,
Um, but I
yeah.
have been going to every single home game for like the last 7 or 8 years. So like,
True, yeah.
I'm a piece of the furniture. It's not up to me though. It's just my partner's dead.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, yeah, he's around that.
He's got the plug. He's got the plug fun, eh?
Yeah, he's
Am I
there.
gonna
I'm
tell
very
him to
blessed.
reveal it? No, none your business. Also, along with your interviews you've been doing, if you don't follow the bro, he's been doing a series of challenges, and just wanna talk a little bit about that too, my bro.
Yeah, yeah. So I was a bit lost on what sort of content to do
Mm.
before the NRL season kicked back up because I was doing like comedy stuff and like some brand stuff and things like that, and there was like a massive gap from the start of, or sorry, the end of January till like now, the
Yeah,
start of the
yeah.
season, um, where there wasn't gonna be much going on for me.
Mm.
So I was like, oh man, I want to be consistent. So when I come back to doing NRL interviews, um, like my page isn't just like coming out of the depths, you know,
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah. Like
it's been active.
consistently staying afloat, eh? So yeah, bro, I see.
Yeah, so uh, I had a little bit of a brainstorm with my bro Ryan, who's in a majority of those challenge videos.
Yeah,
I was like, "Fuck, what do you reckon I should do?" And he's like, "Oh, like let's try and get some players in your videos." And
sure.
then yeah, just from there, like I was like, "Oh yeah, I'll kick a conversion every single day until I do one with a warrior," which was like I did it. I think we completed it after 12 days, but I knew it was finished after 6 days.
Oh, okay. So it's kind of
Yeah.
like attempting different angles on those challenges, on those drop goals too.
Yes, yeah. So with the conversions, I just moved further and further away.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, bit of a leak. I think it's day 3 or day 4. I actually miss. It doesn't go over the post, but no one knows.
Hey, my attention ain't there, but I didn't even notice it.
Yeah, there's one of the
Is it the one
days.
that it like fall in front of the goalpost? Like
Yeah, yeah, but
just in front of it,
I put words across the post so it looks like it goes behind. But
W straight, W straight.
yeah,
I ain't gonna lie.
yeah, but that was a pretty cool. The Warriors one was really cool because I thought I originally thought all those Warriors boys are pretty unreachable. You know,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
they're like celebrities in like OCE
yeah,
with
bro.
Australia and New Zealand. Like you think, oh man, like same with you,
Nah, it's not
like
about
getting in contact with you is
that.
bro. Like man, you
Just
know,
text me, bro, and I'll reply. But
yeah. Or now,
I'm
now,
one of those guys. I can't be bothered topping up.
yeah, yeah. Nowadays, but yeah. But on the second day, Chanel Harris Davida like commented on my post and was like, he followed me and messaged me about it. And then yeah, on the 6th day, I got a message from Tane Tuopiki, who's the guy that I
Mean.
completed it with,
Yeah, yeah,
to get it sorted, which was pretty sick. And then I went from there to the AFC. You can see my AFC ball back there.
yeah, yeah. That's
Um,
cool. You've built those connections just outside of NRL too, while branching out into the other sports that the country has as well.
yeah, yeah. That's like because I don't know much about like football in New Zealand,
Mm.
like basketball in New Zealand, but there's like a whole different league when it comes to like it will go like the A League, which is what Auckland FC are a part of, and then there's like a whole different league underneath them that I didn't know existed that I've like become privy
True.
to, and yeah, like watch some of the Auckland United games and things on those lines. Like it's actually really cool to see that.
Yeah, yeah.
But it was the same. It was the same thing with Auckland FC. I knew about it a week before it was finished. So for 7 days straight, I was filming knowing that I had already like linked up to finish the challenge.
Yeah, mean, bro.
Yeah. And then the Breakers one, same thing. So I did another one of the Breakers. Um, that one was awesome. Like, have you ever
Yeah,
heard of
bro.
the NZBL? Not the NBL, but the NZBL.
No, no, I haven't heard of that one.
Yeah.
I
So it's like the
remember,
National League.
yeah, I only knew about the league that the Breakers play in from my grandfather. Man,
Mm.
just gambling on the teams at the table all the time. That's
Oh
the only
yeah.
way I knew about it, bro.
Yeah, that's so cool. Like, just doing this challenge not only has it like helped me build connections amongst like New Zealand sports, but also it's made me like appreciate New Zealand sports a bit more too, because I'm more aware of what's going on around the country.
Sure, mean, and hopefully in the future we see you on the Crowd Goes Wild,
Oh,
multi
hope
TV.
so.
You know, code. Come on now. There's a lot of people out there that be good picks for your fellas program. Um,
Yeah, please.
as I mentioned earlier too, you're a Broncos fan, and
Yeah,
find
thick
that
and thin.
every time this guy, there's a Broncos game on, he'll usually put a photo up of it's normally a man holding a baby, but he'll edit his face and the ops that support the other team.
Yeah, but
And
that is true. That is true.
right, every time. And what was the year that the Broncos choked? Not last year, it was the year before. Eh?
Yeah, before 2023 grand final. Yeah.
Yeah, so I was gonna get the bro dog collar, and spray painted maroon with the Broncos insignia on the front because they choked again, just like in
You
2015 against the
mother-
Cowboys.
Yeah.
But
Don't
we ended up
remind me.
we ended up getting the bro Pokemon mouse pad instead.
Yeah, it's right here. You can see it in shots.
So yeah, that's the bro's mouse pad that we got him, and Pokemon's is streamer squeeze.
What do you mean? That's my wife right there.
Oh, yeah, I ain't saying that, bro. I ain't trying to get in trouble with your partner.
No. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke.
With the online space too, bro. Who for you moving forward would be your dream collab?
I like how you worded that because you knew I was gonna say you. Yes, I used to moving forward. Honestly, there's a lot of people out there that I would love to work with, but within the internet space, probably Te Ao Pifirangi.
Oh yeah, bro. He's cracked up.
I would love to do content with him, or like just to be in the room while he's like filming like his content or like doing the fishing stuff. Like any of that stuff would be sick. That's probably who I'd love to, because
Nice.
he's doing what he's doing what I want to do
Yeah,
on like a larger scale.
yeah, bro.
Just putting Te Ao Māori to the world is
Harder, bro.
amazing.
With with recent events too. If you don't know, Speed came to the country a couple months ago now,
Yeah,
and
end of last year.
the bro actually got to meet Speed as well. And how did that opportunity come about, bro?
Yeah, that was a pretty cool thing. This company named Zeal.
Oh, was that
They're
the like from one of your kicking videos? Eh, the purple guy.
yeah, the ones
Oh, okay.
the ones I did the Warriors ticket giveaway with.
Yeah.
Um, they had a giveaway going
Oh,
to meet him because I think Zeal or like maybe the owners of Zeal were like one of the main pushes to get Speed to New Zealand.
okay. Yeah.
Um, and yes, they had a competition going. But what I didn't know at the time was that they were just looking for a content creator. So when I put out the giveaway and entered up, I was like, oh yeah, like heaps people will join this giveaway. Like there's probably
bro.
like a really
Yeah.
slim chance. There's like a real slim chance. And then I wake up. I think it was a Monday morning. I can't remember what day he was here, but it was morning time. I got followed from Zeal on Instagram.
Oh, okay.
And I was just like, I was looking at it and I was like, ooh, maybe I won. Maybe I won. I don't know. So I like screenshot it into the boys. I was like, what do you reckon about this? They're like, oh, like maybe you won. And I jumped in the shower.
Yeah.
I jumped in the shower and got out of the shower and I had this like massive message from Zeal saying, would you be keen to meet Speed today? And I was just like,
Just,
I dropped. I had so much stuff going on that day. I canceled it all, right?
yeah, that's the one.
Yeah. And it was sick. Yeah, I got to go to Anna Malbury's house.
Who's that?
Bro,
Oh,
she's the owner.
I live under a rock, bro, so yeah, I don't really know much people.
She's the owner of Zuru. It's like a toy company in New Zealand.
Oh, okay.
Owner of Zeal, part owner of, or I think majority owner or like 50% owner of Auckland FC.
Yeah. Far true.
Yeah, I think last year she turned over like a couple billion,
Fuck.
and it was pretty evident because when we rocked up to her house, there was like this massive ass house in front of her house that I thought was her house.
Yeah.
So I looked at like her whole style for like gassing it up, like, yeah, it's a really cool house. You're gonna love it. And I saw the house and I was like, fuck, this house is mean. It's huge. And they're like, oh, that's just like the front house. And I was like, what? Bro, we walked around like down the driveway. It's like a mess. There's like a Porsche parked at the front, like a Rolls Royce parked in the gym. It was huge. I think it was 3 stories tall. They had a soccer simulator, bowling alley.
Holy shit! And this is all in Auckland.
Yeah, this is all in their little house.
Wow.
Well, not
Yeah.
I say little, but in their house.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
Broke Boy Taco was there, like giving
Oh,
out
you.
tacos.
Fuck. Those any
Yeah, they
good?
had.
Those any good, by the way?
It was pretty good. It was better than I thought it was gonna be,
Yeah.
and better than what I'd been told.
Cause
Like I'd been told it was pretty like.
I ain't gonna lie, I kind of want to try them. But I don't want to drive all the way up there just to have a go.
Nah, valid. But yeah, like that was like being part of that was really cool. Got to hang out with Speed, do some bowling with him. I met your bro,
Oh, that would
Raw.
yeah.
Yeah, he was a cool fella. But yeah,
Oh,
no, it was a
hey,
really
bro, what's your name, bro?
yeah. I was like, oh shit. And I got to meet like Dan Hooker and Aaron Toe there as well. Like it was like I was amongst like some pretty big people.
Pretty big names, eh? Wow,
Yeah,
bro, what an opportunity, bro.
yeah. And it's cool. Like that opportunity is kind of what helped me complete my Auckland FC challenge.
Sure, yeah.
Because the guy that I met there, his name's Cam. He's the manager for Auckland FC.
True, okay.
Yeah. So when he saw I was doing the crossbar thing, one of the days he was at Go Media, I messaged him instantly and I was like, bro, can I come to Go Media and film my video? And he's like, oh, here, just text this number. And he gave me a number.
Nice.
He gave me a number to the social media guy, and then we teed it up for next week, like the week after.
Yeah, see, shit, that's all mahi man.
Bit of a mucky man.
Yeah. Did you get to have like a cordial with Speed at all?
Yeah.
Or
There was a time there I did, but you could tell that he was a bit like he was trying to keep face because like all the kids were around, so he obviously wanted to keep the character going. But he wanted to, yeah, but, like at the same time he wanted to like relax.
Yeah, I feel that.
Mm. But I think the cooler thing, like meeting Speed was really cool. But I got to meet Jimmy Jackson too.
Yeah.
That was cool. I got my picture with Speed, and I saw Jimmy standing behind me, and I was like, Jimmy, please come here, please get this photo.
That fella's high energy too, eh?
Yeah,
I only met Jimmy about 2 weeks ago, and I was like, "Wow, yeah, I'm slow and you're up," but in a sense, bro, good dude.
yeah, he's really cool. Yeah,
Yeah, bro. So yeah, man's pretty connected up in Tamaki whānau. Those are
Holy
kind of
demon.
like all the pātais that I wanted to ask you. You know, we kind of move into the quickfire questions in the podcast. Now I'm gonna ask you your top 3 favorite cartoons from the year you were a kid.
From when I was a kid. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Damn. So one of the first cartoons I ever watched was
Watched?
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Watched?
Or what? What did I say? Oh, no, I'm just flashing back.
God damn.
Going back to the old days on how I used to
Yeah.
speak. But yeah, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles was one of the first cartoons I ever watched because we
Yeah.
didn't have TV for ages growing up. So
Bro,
once
that
we got
was
TV,
like my upbringing, bro. We didn't have TV till we were about like 6.
yeah.
Us either get outside or do something.
Get outside or watch the news.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, it'd probably be Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Ben 10, but like the OG Ben
Oh
10.
yeah, the Cartoon Network one.
Yeah. Oh man, there's so many cartoons from back in those days that I should just
There's
love
just
watching.
too many good ones.
Yeah, especially from like our generation. Like we
Yeah,
had
bro.
all the peak ones, and probably just like Digimon.
Oh,
Yeah,
Digimon.
Digimon.
Okay. The first,
One
like
was
the first
peak.
round.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first one of like I can't remember any of their names.
Oh,
like
come on, bro.
Greymon and stuff.
There we go. I was gonna say, come on, at least one, bro.
Like I love Digimon way more than I liked Pokemon.
Yeah. Uh, yeah, I was the same. I pretty much only liked it for the evolutions, but
Yeah,
Pokemon Andy as well.
valid.
So you know, besides counting to 1,000 on a stream one day, what is your favorite game of all time?
What? That doesn't even make sense.
I know. I just
Um,
wanted to throw that in there.
favorite game of all time. Damn. Oh, this is probably a route you weren't expecting me to go, but
Okay.
Scrabble.
Scrabble. Okay,
I
brilliant.
love Scrabble, and
Was
it reminds me. That's like how I learned English properly.
oh, true.
Scrabble from my nana.
Bro, when I
That's how.
oh, carry on.
Yeah. So like that's sort of Scrabble is how I learned all the big words I use to this day and things like that. And it was always like a real competitive thing when Nan was around, was playing Scrabble.
True. Yeah, I went through something similar. My for my nana was rummy.
Oh, bro, Rummy's elite
But
too.
these days, man, I'm like, bro, I can't remember how to play that damn game anymore.
Yeah, I think I play it wrong nowadays. I think I always played it wrong because there was like some scoring point system that I never did.
No, I was always couldn't. Even to this day, bro, I got the bloody mind of a goldfish when it comes to numbers. Other than measuring, I still can't get my head around it, bro.
No, but
Um,
even though you do a lot of measuring for your
yeah,
work, yo.
yeah, pretty much. Well, that kind of brings us to the quickfire questions, my bro. First of all, I want to say, Nami Hinu Kia Koe, thank you very much for joining us today. Where can everyone find you on social media, my bro?
Yeah, on Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, everything. I'm Erukge
So just
ER
for the the international audience, how do you spell that?
ERUKGE.
Nice. W mans,
Across all
W
socials.
mans.
You're gonna see me run a marathon by the end of the year, so
Ooh,
thanks
nice,
to follow me now.
nice, bro. I've been thinking the same thing too. Because I roasted this lady about fathers either doing barbecues or getting into running, and roasted the shit out of her, and I'm like, fuck, I actually want to start running.
Yeah.
Like, fuck,
Yeah. Fair enough.
Like, yeah. Thank you very much for today, my bro, and we'll
Yeah,
keep you posted when we post this up too. Cheer, my bro.
I'm glad we finally got to it.
Yeah, it took a month. Okay. Hopefully I get on to the next one ASAP as well. Cheer, my bro.
Cheers, brother.